If you want to install Capcut in your PC for free, then follow me. Here I'll show you the easiest way to download and install the Capcut PC version. You can do it from Capcut official site. Also, you can directly install Capcut from Microsoft Store for free. Just open the Microsoft Store and search for Capcut. If you face any country issue to install Capcut, then search for country and from here you can change your country or region. Okay, now click on install. Here you can see the Capcut is installed. Now click on the Capcut icon, then click on confirmed. That's all the installation process of Capcut PC version. Now it's time to try yourself.